distinguished judges, fellow talkmates, on the 1st of October 1960, the Union Jack was lowered and the green, white, green was hoisted up. On that day, 250 ethnic groups were bonded together. Now, the 250 ethnic groups represented diverse nations originally existing from the old customs. With that, you had the domination of some parts of the country over the others. This brought rancor. Eventually, the military. The First, Second, and Third Republic collapsed because of explanations that there was domination from one part and there was tribalism. Power rotation represents the only sure means by which we can govern our country, sharing the resources and the leadership values and cultures of our people from one part of the country to the other. Now, if it is taken to the north, the south, the east, or the west, you could have everybody bringing the best of the best leading them. If not, the same case that happens, that 80% of the presidents come from a part of the country. How can we have peace and understanding because of this? This is not new to us, because even in the old Nigerian customs, the kings often were chosen by rotation from the monarchs, from the ruling houses. So we know that power rotation is a part of us. Now, when the best of the best from each of these regions come together, Nigeria can become a better place. We can rule our nation giving the best to each of the zones. One zone or the other will not have the domination over any other. Domination is what we need to watch out for. We cannot dominate anyone else. We must share the power, rotate it. Thank you.
Femi, you're talking about power rotation and the fact that we have to go by ethnic groups to decide who will be our next leader. Where do these words come in? Competence, integrity, vision, unity, being a Nigerian first.
The fact is, they all exist, even in that. We're saying if you take a zone, you bring out the best you can from that zone. With proper electoral policies in place, bringing out the best from that zone can actually guarantee that all these, your conditions, integrity, competence, are met. Greatest youths, bastions of democracy, my young friends, power of the future, my brothers, my sisters, my friends, another year has come. They have come again. They have come to ask for our votes, for the votes that will make them stay in power another time. But we must stand up. We must protect these votes. We must not allow them to take away the beauty of our land. They must not take away the strength and our honor and our future. We must communicate. We must be among ourselves. We must join and move the masses to follow what the politicians are doing. We must educate. We must tell ourselves that this is how we must be. We must be strong youth, and then we must participate. We should stand on the voting lines, vote, and when we vote, wait. Make sure that they do not steal your vote. They count it, and you are sure that what you have done is recorded. My youth, we can do this together. Thank you.